channel, I'll be showing you how to make coconut milk. Coconut milk have a lot of uses and benefits, and the reason why I like coconut is because all the byproducts from coconut are useful. Stay tuned. Please don't waste your coconut water. You can drink it or use it for your smoothie. Start by using a knife to remove the coconut meat or flesh. I'll be peeling off the brown skin of the coconut because I want to use the coconut pulp to do my coconut flour. You can skip this if you want. Peeling the coconuts, I'll wash the coconuts. Then I'll be cutting them into smaller pieces for easy blending. I'll be adding the coconut flesh into a blender and I'll add warm water. You can use hot water if you like. The reason why I use hot or warm water is because the water helps to draw out the coconut milk or the oil from the coconut. Then I will blend. After blending the coconut into a fine texture, you can use a sieve or cheesecloth to sieve the coconut milk. I'll be pouring the coconut mixture through a sieve. Then I will make sure that I get as much coconut milk out of it. Try to squeeze out as much coconut milk as possible. And moreover, you are not going to throw away the coconut pulp because you are going to use it to make coconut flour. Now the coconut milk is ready. You can use it for cooking, baking, smoothie or drinking your cereal. Thank you for watching.